Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Verizon Smart Home app for connected device setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone or tablet. Locate the Verizon Smart Home app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Verizon Smart Home and download the application. Once the app is installed, tap on its icon to open it. You will be greeted by the login screen. If you already have a Verizon account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure your credentials are accurate to avoid login issues. If you forget your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. After entering your credentials, tap the Sign In button. If this is your first time using the app, you may need to create a new account. Tap on Create Account to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Be sure to choose a strong password for security. After entering your details, tap on Continue or Sign Up. Follow any additional prompts to complete your account setup. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of the app. From here, you can begin setting up your connected devices. Look for the option to add a new device or setup. Select the type of device you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the device setup process. Make sure your connected device is powered on and within range. Once the setup is complete, you can start managing your devices from the app. Explore the features and settings available to optimize your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.